was debating or not if I should do a video on this palette. It's not new, but a lot of us ordered it on BoxyCharm. I already tried it, so I have my thoughts on it to share with you, my review, but I just want to try it on, and so you can see what it looks like if you're thinking of ordering it, whether it's through BoxyCharm, whether it's through their site. I'll leave it in the description in case you want to check it out. All right, so this is the Cover FX Perfector face palette in light medium, and you can see it has here a picture of the names, the colors you're gonna get. I was so happy to get this. I think I've been wanting it for so long. I love face palettes. Let me know if you do too. This is the colors that you get. Look how pretty that is. Getting 2 highlighters, okay? This one is more like my shade. I guess you would consider it like what, a champagne. This one has a little bit more pink to it, but I love them both. I'll tell you what I don't like about them actually after I apply it. What I love is these two here. You get here, they're calling this a contour, and you have here a blush, and these are both matte. I love my blushes and my bronzers to be matte. Do I use some that are not completely matte? Yeah, but this is my preference. So a brightener, which I like to use like for the inner corner. I don't know what else to use brightener for. They have this finishing powder, which I'm like, I would think it would be to set your face, but it's like shimmery. Do you set your face like that, or what else? How else do you use a finishing powder? But let's go ahead and do the swatches. So this is the first one that I'm saying is a little bit like champagne, and then this one that going towards like a little pink. Do have a little bit shimmer. Keep that in mind. I don't mind it, but it's not my preference. That's not the type of highlighters that I like. Now let me swatch this blush. So really pigmented, and the contour. Really nice color. It doesn't make you look dirty. It looks really nice, and they show up really well, so I'm sure it's gonna work for several skin tones. Brightener, that's what the brightener looks like. You see how light it is? I'll actually put it up here. Can you see it with my light skin? There it is. Our last finishing powder. See it? Alright, so that is the swatches. First, I'm gonna contour. So I'm gonna use this one here, this really quickly. I just usually do nothing weird, interesting, just a 3 like that, the same way, down the nose a little. That's all I do, okay? So as you see, shows up right away. I did take a nice amount. If you go more light-handed, you can have it lighter. You want it darker, you can do that too. It all depends how much you apply. But you see, like this side I barely put, and you see a huge difference. So just know that it's buildable. Just make sure you blend this really well, how you would do with any other. I love that it's not patchy. You can blend it out really easily. Blend, blend, blend. If you have a smaller brush, if you want to go down your nose, you can do that. Blush. Look at that. You gotta be careful with this blush, I'm telling you. But don't worry, if you go too strong at first, you could always take your brush that you applied your powder and just go on top, and that will like smooth it out a bit. Tap here. It's very pretty. See, here it looks kind of light. I don't know if you're seeing it the same as I see it in person. In person, it looks like it's enough, but I'll put some more just so you're able to see. Like if you're really light skinned, you're gonna like this, but you have to go light-handed. Oh, you see, that's a lot. Do you put it on your nose too? Let me know. Or you just go like this. Do you smile? Alright, so I'm definitely gonna go here and just buff it out a bit. It's divine. And you tell me if you can tell the difference. I'm just gonna apply it here. Wow, that is gorgeous. Imagine how that would look on the eye as well. Alright, now I'm just gonna turn it to the other side and apply Starlight. I don't even know which one I like more. Try and see if I could blend it a little better with another brush. This one is just much more lighter, so it wouldn't be the best for blending. I really don't know what to do with this finishing powder. I'm like looking to see, yeah, it has like some glitter. Like, where can I put this? Maybe on the eyes. Like, you always could use whatever you don't like that's like for the face, just use it on the eyes. I'm just gonna take some of the brightener and apply it to the inner corner just a little, so you can see. You see that? I mean, that is insane. I love to apply it there. That area is usually so dark. You could blend it more. Just trying to work fast here. But look how pretty. I think this whole palette is beautiful. You can always also keep blending this highlight out if you don't want it too intense. Let me know what you think of this palette. I know it's not new, but still, it's still available, so why not get it if you like it. I have a playlist of several face palettes that I have reviewed if you love them as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.